I'm just giggling to myself. I'm going shopping again, so I thought you lot I want to come for a bit of a shop. We're going to B&Q. It's 6:45 in the morning. Sorry, I just set this up. It said video beauty. I thought, you need to rethink that one. Right, yeah. So I've got to go and get a few items. I thought if anyone wants to come along for a spin early in the morning, if you're up early. What do I need? I've got to get the out speckies on. Right, yeah, I've got to get a strip light for the garage for the gym. That's gone. 3 LEDs for the kitchen. They've gone. Funny how they all go in sort of like threes, isn't it? The light switch has gone. I think that's my lad. I think he's been a bit hand-fisted. No, it wasn't him. It just went. It's been there for years. So the light switch on the thing has gone. So yeah, bulb, light switch. I need some metal primer, and then Jane wants some beans and peas. I'll probably go back and they'll be wrong anyway, so it doesn't matter. So we're going to fire the beast up, and it's about 9 mile. I won't film it because that'll be boring. Make sure she starts. It's a wet, miserable day. We were hoping for some sunshine. No, this time last year it was roasting, wasn't it? Anyway, right, we'll catch you when we get there, and we're going to go shopping around B&Q. This is a little town we've come to. It's about 10 miles from where I live. Yeah, not bad. And just over there, you can't see it, I'm sure we're pulling in. I think in the UK, not in the UK, in America, you call this an intersection. Here we go. Anybody there? Right, that's it. What I'll probably do is get the paint first, look for the peas and beans, light switch, the LEDs, and the strip light. It's about 5 foot long, so I'll get that last. I'm going to walk around with that and then bust it, because I will look a right plonker then, wouldn't I? Right, let's go and have a look and see if we can find everything. Oh, it is open. That's good. Right, let's go and have a look. Forgot me face mask. I had to make one quickly out of me boxer shorts. Never mind. It's yeah, they'll do. Look at this. Ooh, blasted. No one here. Look at it, it's brilliant. You can't talk properly these stupid things on anyway. I'm looking for either red oxide or just primer. Can't see any here. Bloody hell, where do you start? There's none down here. Place. Good job I asked somebody. Right, so it's down here. Ah, that's what we want. Not 14 quid though. Ah, red oxide primer, £10.20. Oh, cheap stuff there, look. Anti-rust primer. Okay. 10 quid, 9 quid. Look at the size of that. 10 quid, 10 quid. Let me get some brushes now. Bulbs, what we're looking for now. That'll do, 2 35 watt each, LEDs, pack of 3 for 7 quid. Done. Look at that, we're in the same place. But I don't want LEDs, they don't work. I want a standard one. I'll have to ask, won't I? There we go. It looks like all these, not them, not the blue ones. It says on them LEDs, but I wasn't too sure. But these are all non-LEDs. So I got a 5-footer at, what is that? God, it's going to be expensive today. 8 quid. It's 28 quid already. No, it's not. It's 28. 28 plus 7. You know, 35 quid, roughly. What's next? Bowls, LED light, metal primer, beans and peas. 2 paintbrushes. 6 quid. I tell you what, you can do some mileage. Right, a single light switch. Oh, look at that. That's cheap. £1. That'll do. £1. There we go. £1.47. Oh, hey. That'll do. I think we're done. Oh yeah. Wasn't that bad. It actually was. It was 49 quid. It doesn't look like you got much either. Where's my keys at the minute? Yeah, so £49 later, 2 tins of paint, paintbrushes, more than what I wanted actually. But anyway, get back home. Oh, nice. Get back home, put the light in, put the switch on, put the bulbs in, and we're done. So I'm just contemplating whether we need anything from Tesco's or anywhere else. I'm just trying to think what we need. Because it's early and there's not many people about. That's it, we're home. If you enjoyed shopping with Davies, leave a thumbs up. That'll do. Alright, take care, catch you in the next video. All the best.